Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to look at firstly we're going to look at arithmetic operations. So it says here that arithmetic operations include additive and multiplicative operations. So you see here we have the sum of variables, and we have the difference of variables, which is subtraction. Then we have the changing of signs, we have the multiplication, the division, and then we also have the modulus, and we have the increment and decrement. So as guys see, we are basically going to just look at some examples, and probably in the next video of assignment operators or assignment operations, that's when we're going to dive deep into these. So for example, let's say we have this right here. So I is 5 and L is 56. So if we just do a simple subtraction, we should get the value of I, which is 5 minus 56, which should give us negative 51. So if we basically run this code, we should get a negative 51 as an answer, as you can see there. So these are just simple arithmetic operations. Then if we also have to do the multiplication, but let's use smaller numbers, so we can say 5 times 2, which is 10. So we should get 10 if we say I times k. And if I run this F5, see there we got 10. So we can go on and on and on and on, and just have we can even do addition. So we can say instead of I, we can say M, which is a negative plus a positive. So negative 11 plus 56, which is L. So negative 11 plus 56 should give us positive 45, if I'm not mistaken, but let's test that out. There we go, 45. Yeah. So yes guys, so these are just simple basic arithmetic operations. In the next video we will dive deep into assignment operations and all these. Thank you.